Python Programming Language, PIP, a comprehensive guide to using PIP for installing and managing Python libraries. PIP is the package manager for Python, used to install and manage libraries. It simplifies the process of integrating various libraries into your Python projects. To install packages, use the pip install command. Pip accesses the Python package index to retrieve libraries, allowing you to specify versions if needed. Pip automatically manages package dependencies, resolving version conflicts to ensure compatibility among libraries used in your project. Upgrade packages using pip install upgrade and remove them with pip uninstall. This helps in keeping your libraries up to date and managing storage. The requirements file lists all project dependencies. Use pip install requirements to install these dependencies efficiently. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.